Life lessons that kids can't always get from a book. Tonight, 12 News journalist Brenda Lipinski takes us to a West Valley school where kids are learning the importance of growing their own food.
The organization Green Desert has worked with the school for the past 3 years, helping students maintain a school garden and giving them the tools they need to live a healthy life. These first graders at Cheatham Elementary in Levine are getting their hands dirty, collecting vegetables they'll be using to cook. Quita Jackson says it's all part of a workshop called Cooking from the Garden, started by her nonprofit organization called Green Desert that focuses on sustainability and self-sufficiency. All the vegetables coming from the school's garden that they help teach to maintain.
So we come out, we plant the garden, and they're part of the whole process. So we plant the garden, we harvest from the garden, we clean the garden, we replant.
Good. Students taking a hands-on approach and learn in the process.
Where's the box? Good job, guys. What's this? Good job. They love planting because they get the seeds and they're just right involved. A lot of them actually, from when we first started doing this program, a lot of them actually have gardens at home now.
Pulling the vegetables they need.
Have to pull it down from the bottom.
Then head to the cafeteria to wash what they've picked.
They're learning something that's going to really help them overall. You know, that's one of the things, especially here in Levine and in South Phoenix, is, you know, we've got the food deserts, and then we've got a lot of health ailments like diabetes and things that, you know, our lifestyle can change. So that's the goal, is just to teach them it's another way.
Next, they prep the food.
Somebody's under the table. Where's your kale? We're missing you. Good.
With all the right seasonings.
Yeah, he's strong.
Then the food is thrown into the pan and served for the kids to eat. Each of them trying foods they liked and some they didn't, an experience they're proud of.
I was excited about taking the plants out and cutting them and eating them.
And in the process of growing, seasoning, and cooking, the adults also taking notes.
You know, you learn so much from them, from the beginning to the end. It's just seeing them learn, seeing them with that joy, and them trying new things.
Brenda Lipinski,